To find a quarter of something, split it into 4 equal groups.
This is the beginning of the tutorial section. The students are able to move forwards and backwards at their own pace through this section. Once again, this is crucial because what we're trying to do is not only deliver content to an individual child's ability level rather than their age, but also to cope with individual child's different pace of learning.
To find 1/3 of something, split it into 3 equal groups.
Once the student is comfortable with the tutorial section, then they'll move forward to the exercises. Now here's something very important. Here we have the exercise section, which is made up predominantly of 10 questions. Let's see what happens when we get the question wrong.
Split these into equal groups.
So here we have MathWiz behaving the same way a human tutor would behave. Rather than just say, you got the question wrong, here's the answer, extra help is provided, in this case in the form of manipulatives, to really bring the learning objective to life. Let's get the question right. And you'll find a nice payoff. At the end of the question bank, we need to know that the children have really mastered the learning objective. So in order to do that, at the end of each section of the lesson, you'll receive an online test. That online test will tell us whether the child has mastered the learning objective so they can move on to the next level. If they haven't mastered, then we're always going to come back to this lesson, or we're going to maybe going back to an earlier stage within the topic area. So the tutor is always adapting to the individual child's needs, weighting those lessons generally towards those areas where the children are weakest. So that's a little bit of an overview in terms of the actual lesson structure. MathWiz, once again, is designed to behave and simulate the behaviour of a human tutor. But what does that mean to the teachers? Well, every lesson, every test, every help provided for the children is recorded through this online dashboard.